Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door gasket. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver, a utility knife, and, of course, your brand new replacement gasket. Safety is paramount, so always ensure the appliance is completely unplugged from its power source. Take a moment to thoroughly clean the door frame, removing any accumulated dirt or grime, which will help ensure a proper seal later on. This preparation is key for a smooth replacement process. Now, let's tackle removing the old gasket. Begin by carefully prying it away from the door panel or frame. You might find a flathead screwdriver helpful to gently lift the edges, working your way around the entire perimeter. Be mindful not to damage the door itself. Once the old gasket is off, take a moment to thoroughly inspect the channel where it sat. Ensure there are no remaining adhesive residues or small gasket fragments that could interfere with the new seal. With the old gasket removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully align the new gasket with the door channel, starting at one of the corners. Work your way around, pressing the gasket firmly into place, ensuring a snug and even fit all around the door. You can use a rubber mallet or simply the palm of your hand to gently tap and secure the gasket evenly into its channel. A tight fit is crucial for optimal performance. Finally, let's perform some crucial checks. Close the door and carefully inspect for any visible gaps or areas where the gasket doesn't seal tightly. A simple dollar bill test can confirm an airtight seal. If the bill pulls out easily when the door is closed on it, the seal needs adjustment. Remember to regularly clean your new gasket with mild soap and water. This simple maintenance can significantly extend its lifespan and ensure continued efficiency for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.